Hello students, welcome to this online teaching learning process of subject microprocessor. So in today's video, we will see our third unit topic, that is logical instruction set. Logical instruction set consists of instructions which are used to perform different logical operations such as AND, OR, NOT, XOR, likewise. The course outcome for this unit is use instructions for different addressing modes. So the learning outcome of this video includes to study the logical instruction set of 8086, and in that we have to study each and every individual logical instruction in detail. POs mapped are PO1, PO4, PO6 and PO7. So coming to the instruction set of 8086, instruction is nothing but a command given to the processor. Now depending upon the command, it is classified into different types as we have seen earlier. The instructions are classified into arithmetic group, which will perform all arithmetic calculations. So for today we will study about the logical instruction. So what is logical instructions? It consists of different instructions to perform logical operations like ANDing operation, ORing, XORing and negate operation. As we all know, the instruction format consists of opcode and operand. Opcode is the operational code, that means which action we have to perform, and operands means on which the action will be going to be performed. So the inside the operands there will be source and destination. So in case of logical instruction, the source may be a register, memory location. Similarly, the destination may be a register or memory location. So coming to the first logical instruction, that is AND. It performs the logical ANDing of the source and the destination. The data in the source and the destination may be of 8 or of 16 bit. So the syntax of AND instruction is AND destination comma source. That is, the source data will be ANDed with the destination data and the result will be stored in destination. So the examples like AND BH comma CL. Now both are operands are BH and CL. Destination is BH and source is CL. Both are 8-bit registers. So the 8-bit data of CL will be ANDed with 8-bit data of BH register and the result will be stored in BH. ANDing means, as we all know, the truth table, 0 0 result will be 0, 0 1 result will be 0, 1 0 result will be 0, and in case of 1 1 the result will be 1. So bit by bit ANDing operation will be performed in logical AND operation. Coming to the next instruction, that is OR. It performs the logical ORing of the data present in the source as well as destination. Syntax is similar to that of AND. So syntax is OR destination comma source. Example, OR BH comma CL, both are of 8-bit. So bit by bit ORing will be performed and the result will be stored in BH register. Similarly, OR BX comma 00FFH. Now 16-bit direct data is given, that is immediate data. So this hexadecimal data will be converted into binary 16-bit and it will be ORed with the data inside the BX, that is destination, and bit by bit ORing will be performed and result will be stored inside the BX register. Next is NOT. NOT means logical invert or negation operation. If the syntax is not destination, suppose in BH consists of 8 bit, so all the 8 bits contains 1, then by using NOT instruction all the bits inside the BH will contain now 0. If the BH contains all 0 bits, it will be converted to 1. That means if the bit consists of 1, it will be negated to 0. If the bit contains 0, it will be negated to 1. XOR, it performs the logical XORing of source and destination. So syntax is XOR destination comma source. All the operations will be according to the truth table. So bit by bit logical operations will be performed. Next instruction is test. Test is a implicit addressing mode instruction. That means in the test instruction there will be no operands. So the test instruction adds the source and the destination operands but does not store the result, nor does it change the operands. That means what the test will perform, it will add the source and the destination but it will not store the result anywhere. It only affects the flag register. So the important MSBT related questions are: list the different logical instructions of 8086, explain the difference or explain the and or instruction. So what we have learned today about the logical instruction set of 8086 and the different logical instructions inside the instruction set. So thanks for watching the video. In the next video we will see about the rotate and the shift instructions present in 8086.